How to add emoji in CapCut with just few simple steps. Let's get started. Open your CapCut application. Tap on New Project. Select your preferred video. Tap on Add. Now you can see your video on the timeline. On the bottom of your screen, swipe left on the menu option. Select Stickers. Now you can see various emoji provided by CapCut. Just select which suits you. And tap on check mark. Resize and move the emoji on the screen by pinching or dragging. You can increase or decrease the time frame or duration of your emoji on the video. You can also duplicate the emoji and place it at the different spot throughout the video. You can also apply animation to the emoji for the extra flair. And that's it, your video is now filled with fun emojis. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tutorials. Drop a comment if you have questions or suggestions for future videos. And don't forget to check out our playlist. See you in the next one.